In a situation like this, you've gotta think, and I don't think you think about the way he thinks. And I know you live life for yourself, but it all comes down to the way you help. And I know your life is such a hell. You wake up early and you work until you have your drinks at 5 o'clock. The hours blend, your thoughts all haunt your hopes, your dreams, your everything. Oh, mama, I hope, I dream that you won't leave. And I have a question: what is love? What is love? Is it giving up? 'Cause that's not how you raised me. In a situation like this, you've gotta think, and I don't think you think about the way she thinks. And I know you work hard every day, but it all comes down to the way you're paid. And I know you're oh so sorry, Dad. I surely believe that you're a better man than share one kiss, then give away all the love you come home every day to your hopes, your dreams, your everything. Well, Daddy, I hope, I dream that she won't leave. And I have a question: what is love? What is love? Is it giving up? 'Cause that's not how you raised me. And what is love? What is love? See, I don't know anymore. I used to look up to that love. Sweet.